I've got an exciting new addition to Meeting Central, the Zoom dashboard I'm working on that leverages Airtable and Make to create a really productive, efficient environment for creating and rewatching Zoom sessions. So I'm sharing my screen right now, and I've got the Airtable for Meeting Central up. And the latest addition is this view here called Recorded. So if I click on that, you'll see that I've got different Zoom sessions or Zoom meetings that I've scheduled and recorded. And over here, I've added a button called Open Video. And when you click on that, it opens up the video for a recorded Zoom session that you can play back. And that's stored on Google Drive. And if we look at Google Drive, here's the folder full of all my tests. So what I've done is I've queued up I've already recorded a Zoom meeting, so I'm just going to show you real quick how it works. And so this is the one I'm talking about. At the bottom here, it says iterators are great. And it's a Zoom recording that I already made. And so you can see the blue button down here is ghosted. So the automation hasn't kicked in yet. That's because I've turned off the automation so that I could turn it back on to make this video. So in other words, I have a Zoom meeting that has been recorded, and the recording is just sitting on Zoom right now. And if we go into Make, this is the scenario that watches for recordings and then does all these other things like finding the record in Airtable, putting the Zoom recording on Google Drive, and then updating Airtable when it's done. So I'll be going over this in depth in a future recording quite soon. But for right now, I'm just going to click on Run Once, and I'm going to choose Use Existing Data. And you can see here that it's already doing its magic. All these little number ones means it's processing the Zoom recording. So if we go back to Meeting Central, you can see now the blue button is dark blue, meaning it actually has the video. But let's look at it on the recorded view, and it's a little bit tighter there. So you can see Open Video. It also has a link to the file on Google Drive in case you wanted to just copy that URL. But if you wanted to just watch the recording of this session that I created earlier, you'd click on Open Video and press play. And I'll turn down the volume, but there you go. There's the video. So you could download it, share it, do whatever you want. So that's basically what I've worked on and created here, was the ability for recorded Zoom sessions or Zoom meetings to come back to Airtable with a link to the video, the URL to it, all without you doing any of the work. So it's all fully automated as soon as you are done with our Zoom recording. So again, in a future future YouTube video, I'm going to be going over how to build the core functionality of this Meeting Central. You're going to need Airtable, a paid license of Airtable, because we do something with webhooks that requires a paid account. You're going to need Google Workspace, which is that also is going to be a paid account. And you'll need Make. I don't know if you'll need a paid account for Make or not, but it probably doesn't hurt. But when you have all three of those plus a Zoom account, you can have your own Meeting Central like this to really efficiently create and monitor and re-watch Zoom meetings. So I hope you found that useful. I'm really excited to have figured out how to fold this recorded piece into the puzzle, and there's more to come. So thanks for watching.